You want to start making money online without having to actually spend any money to do so. So you just want something that's going to be easy on you. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I want to help you start a business that allows you to do what you are passionate about, allows you to share the knowledge that you have, to share your interests and make money from that, because it is possible. I'm so tired of hearing people talk about how you need to put passion aside when you're starting a business, because we've changed, okay? The times have changed. We don't have to do that anymore. You can start a business that you actually love. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually start a business that you're passionate about through digital products, okay? I'm going to be sharing with you every single thing that you need to know in order to start your own digital product business, okay? Without ever having to spend any money, okay? Now let's jump straight into it without wasting any more time. First thing that you need to do is to identify your niche. Now, the niche is you. A lot of people have been talking about this, and the reason why I'm saying this is because you get to determine what exactly you are going to be talking about. We're talking about actually making money from your passion. So if you are a lover of marketing like I am, okay, you are going to be creating a digital product that is within the niche of marketing. If it is that you like, I don't know, fitness, you're going to be creating a digital product that fits into fitness. Whatever it is that you genuinely like doing, or you already spend a lot of time learning, is what you're going to be creating a digital product on. I do not suggest that you start one where you have no interest in it. You're talking about traveling when you don't even like traveling like that, or you just, it's not a thing, okay? If it is something that you do not like doing, do not start a digital product business doing it, okay? Do not start any business doing it if you don't like it. Once you've decided what exactly you're interested in, that you're willing to share with people, because this is going to be in education format. This is not entertainment. I don't work in entertainment. If you thought this was entertainment, you came to the wrong place, okay? You might just want to go and find someone else. But I'm going to teach you how to then educate people and use that knowledge that you are, sharing with them to then make money. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. Once you figured out what it is that you want to be sharing with people, we're going to be using the example of marketing. That's exactly what I do, okay? For me, I knew that people were interested in marketing. Who is interested in marketing? People who are starting a business or who already have a business. So I start creating content on social media. That's our number 2. When you're creating content on social media, you need to create valuable content. Valuable content is determined by the audience that you're creating the content for. I'm creating content for business owners. What's valuable to business owners? It is educating them on how to market their businesses and make sales in their business. So I started talking to them about why their business was actually failing. I started talking to them about how important marketing is. I started talking to them about how to market their business, giving them content ideas, giving them examples of what they needed to know in order to market their business effectively, okay? As you're building your audience, this is like a couple of months are going at this point, okay? You then move on to actually choosing a digital product that you want to sell to people. There are some examples of digital products, which is ebooks, workbooks, templates, online courses, live workshops, webinars, or a membership site. It is up to you what exactly you choose to actually create for your audience. You'll be looking at the audience that you're building. What is it they're asking from you? What questions are they asking, so that you can determine what exactly you can create for them. Number 4, you then move on to setting up a landing page. You can do this using ConvertKit. That's what I've been using, and it's very simple. It's free also, so you can always do that. Now, the reason why you're creating a landing page is because you want to actually build your email list. Why are you building your email list? So that you can actually then sell to people who give you their email address. Now, please understand, not everyone is going to be willing to actually give you their email address without getting something in return. So you need to take that into consideration. Give them a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? It is something that you're going to be exchanging for their email address. So for example, if you're in marketing, you're going to be giving them maybe a content calendar template for free, so that you can actually, get their email address. Maybe you're actually setting up an online course, so you want people to actually, give you their email address so they can sell to them in the emails, okay? Because someone who's willing to be an email list subscriber is at a higher stage compared to someone who's just a follower. Now, in order to actually get people to give you their email addresses, you keep mentioning your lead magnet in your video. So for example, in a YouTube video, you tell people, hey, if you want more information or you want more of this, click on the link in the description below, okay? The number 5, you actually then create the digital product. If you're creating an online course, there's so many tutorials on how to create an online course and so on. They're going to be, on the screen. And then also, if you're creating a digital product, an ebook and so on, there are other tutorials. I will also be creating my own, because I've also created my own ebook. It's called the Entrepreneur's Handbook. It's only $6. It's on 101 business ideas. I created it. That's why I'm able to actually talk to you guys about, like, selling digital products, because I've done it. I'm not going to talk to you about something I haven't done or I have not done enough research on. Okay, so that's what I've done for myself. Make sure that you actually go and check out all these tutorials and stuff that I'm actually suggesting to you. Simplest thing is to just go on YouTube and search how to create a digital product. You will learn so much from that. Okay, but here I want to give you the steps that you need to start that business. Number 6 is to then price your product. This is so important. Okay, you need to determine how exactly you are going to be pricing your product. So the first thing that you need to do as you're deciding what price you're going to be setting for your product, you need to understand your costs. What are the transaction fees, the subscription fees that you're paying, and so on, in order to be able to create this digital product that you're going to be selling. I would suggest that we do not pay for anything. Okay, we start out without having to pay for any platform, for any, anything that you're going to be using. Do not pay for it, because I just told you that you're doing this without spending any money. Okay, so even the things I'm suggesting that you use, Canva, ChatGPT, Payhip, you should not be paying for these. Okay, they're all free, because I did it for free as well. Okay, number 2, then you need to make sure that you research the market. You then have to consider the target audience. Okay, the people that you have attracted onto your account, can they afford the price that you are thinking of? Okay, you need to take that into consideration. Do not, I repeat, do not attract cheapskates. Do not attract people that cannot afford your products. Do not attract people that do not have money. You're going to have a hard time. Okay, I kind of slightly made that mistake when I was starting out with my TikTok. Don't make that mistake. Okay, number 4, you then need to choose a pricing strategy that you're going to be using. Number 1, you could use the cost-based pricing, but because there is no cost involved in you starting this business, that might not be the one for you. Okay, second one is competitive pricing. So you look at what your competitors are pricing their their ebooks at, and whatever it is that they're selling, the digital products, what are they pricing it at, and then you determine your price that way. The last way is value-based pricing. So you're like, what, I created this, it took me this long to create this thing, I know it's guaranteed to give people results, I'm going to price it as $1,000. Okay, because I trust that whatever it is that I'm sharing with people is going to be that valuable. Okay, that's something else that you can actually do. And lastly, in terms of pricing, you then make sure that you test out these different prices. Whether you start at 1,000 and then you keep dropping the price, or you start out at a low price and you keep increasing the price, and you're testing out, seeing what's working, what's not working, and so on, and trying out until you finally figure out which price is best for you. Number 7, you need to have a pre-launch strategy. This video is currently a part of my pre-launch strategy. I'm working on starting a membership site, which is specifically for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start a business without having to spend money to start that business. Okay, so the way that we're going to be going about it is you actually start a business based on the knowledge that you have, the interest that you have, the skills that you already have, and then you monetize that. You build an audience on social media, and then you start making money through digital products or services that you offer within the skill or the interest or the knowledge that you have been sharing with your audience. But I kind of guide you through every single step. Okay, so that's something that I'm working on, and that's why I decided to actually share a video about digital products. By the way, if you are interested in actually signing up for this membership site, the link is going to be in the description below. Make sure that you go and you check it out. I have not launched this yet. This is currently like the pre-launch, like I said. Okay, so you can always go and sign up. The wait list is currently building up right now. I'll be sharing with you exclusive information behind the scenes and so on through the email newsletter that I'm currently building and sending out to people. Number 8 is simply launch your product. Okay, you're going to be using Payhip to actually put your product on there. It does not charge you. Okay, they do take a transaction fee. I think it was about like 2%. I will confirm. Okay, and let you know on the screen if that really was 2%. But it's not a lot of money that they're actually taking from you. But take that into consideration when you're pricing your product as well. Okay, so you put it in the link in your bio, and people are actually able to buy, and that's it. that is you having launched your digital product business. And then you keep creating more and more digital products. I've created an entrepreneur's handbook ebook, okay? And the next digital product that I'm currently working on is the membership site that I'm telling you guys about, okay? That's another digital product that I'm going to be creating. Soon enough, I'm going to be offering masterclasses and so on. Those are all digital products that I'm going to be offering. But all I'm saying is start out now. Start out with the digital product. Do not think too much about it. Do not put too much thought into it, because when you think, a lot of the times you end up not starting, okay? Now, the most important thing that you need to be doing right now is figuring out what knowledge, what skill you're going to be sharing with people so that you can actually turn that into a digital product. I have a video that is on 5 high income skills that you can learn for free online, okay? I even have the online courses that you can learn from, which are free, okay? Highlight on free. And you know how you can actually then monetize that, different things that you can actually sell and so on within each skill that I'm sharing with you. So make sure that you actually go and watch that video right after this, and I hope you enjoyed it, but I will see you on there.